this is Amy. I am unboxing Seagate Backup Plus Portable 4TB External Hard Drive. Long story short, I somehow managed to pile up more than 6 TB of footage. This is the perfect example of procrastination at its finest. Instead of trying to store through my old footage, I decided to get a new external hard drive to have a new start. New year is not required to get a new start. This time, making sure that I will properly complete my projects and delete the raw footage before I move on to the next project. Raw footage can take up a lot of space. Even the one that you are watching right now, the one that I'm working on currently, it's more than 1 GB. The final video, it's not going to be this big at all. I even named this hard drive working on to remind myself to work on it. I have a lot of cables near my computer already, so I want external hard drives that only need one cable. I didn't go for the biggest size because I did experience hard drive failures a few times in my life, so I went for a moderate size for TB. Then, some nice bonuses will be the size and the color. Colors. This set comes in 4 pretty colors. Mine is the silver one. Size. Unfortunately, you can't get a good idea of the size of this hard drive based on the size of my hand because I have small hands. So I figured, hey, maybe I can get Ellie to help. Nope, I guess that's not really helping either. But she's cute. To give you a proper measurement, I got my ruler out. It measures 5.5 inches in height and 3 inches in width. And apparently I was living in a 2D world and forgot to measure the depth. The depth is about 3/4 inches. Storage size. Always keep in mind that you don't get 100% of your hard drive size. This 4 TB hard drive actually gives you 3.63 TB of room to work with. At the time of my purchase, there are 2 special offers. If I do end up testing them, I will post the updates in the description. I started using this hard drive the day I got it and will keep you posted. Thank you for watching this video. Bye!